Hi everyone, this is an amazing kitchen gadget. It's this pot. It's from this brand and I'm going to unbox it right now and show you how to use it. It's super elegant. They have so many kitchen appliances. Look at this beautiful packaging. This is the manual how to operate it. Remove this. Gorgeous. Look at this gorgeous design. It's so elegant and it has this thin nozzle so you can, serve with style. It has this base, this electrical base, and it has electricity, so you need to connect it to the electricity. Okay, let's see. This where you switch it on here, and this is the cover, like the top, and here where it vents the air, and this is like the max. You should not fill it more than the max. Let's remove this. We need to remove this one. Whoa, look how it looks like. And then that's how you switch it on. I'm going to fill it up with some water. It's a 304 stainless steel inner and lip, so it's food grade and it can hold up to 0.9 liter water. It's already hot because I switched it on before adding water. Watch out, this is a hot surface. Once it's done, it's done. You can pour the hot water like this and serve your tea nice and hot. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.